Do you think Google has one search engine? No, Google searches through billions of websites and still shows you the perfect answer in less than a second by using hundreds of algorithms in between. Suppose user types a query and I want to find best DSA books for beginners, right? This sentence is called search query. Google understands the query, analyzes the word, intent, language and context. Suppose I wrote apple, Google asks itself, is the user talking about the fruit or the company or the iPhone? Another example would be if I search Python, Google has to decide either a snake or a programming language. So Google sometimes uses my words, context and sometimes location or previous searches to understand the intent. Then Google goes to the Google's index. Google doesn't search the internet every time you search. Imagine a library. Instead of reading every book in the world, the librarian first checks the catalog. Google works the same way. Before you searched, Google bots has already visited billions of websites. They collected information and stored it in the huge database called Google Index. So Google searches its index, not the entire internet. Finds the matching pages. Next, it finds the matching pages. Suppose the Google index contains 50 billion pages, right? After searching, it only remains 15 million. These become a candidate pages. These 15 million becomes the candidate pages, but 15 million results are still too many. Now Google has to decide which page deserves rank 1. Google starts ranking pages. This is where the hundreds of ranking system comes into an action. Let's understand them one by one. First is relevance. Suppose you searched best DSA books and page A shows you the top 10 DSA books for beginners and page B shows you how to repair bookshelves. Which one is more relevant? Obviously page A. Next is content quality. Now the Google checks, is the article actually helpful? Suppose page A explains every book, every pros and cons, latest edition, reading order, but page B only lists name. Google prefers page A because it helps the user more. Authority, that is the website authority. Is the website trustworthy and reputable? Suppose both pages are equally good. One article is from Geeks for Geeks and another is from a website that is created yesterday. Which one would you trust more? Probably Geeks for Geeks, isn't it? Because many trusted websites refer to it. Google thinks similarly. Next is freshness. The content is up to date and relevant now. So now imagine searching for IPL 2026 points table. Will Google show an article from 2024? No, because this topic changes frequently. So Google prefers the newer content. But if you search binary search algorithm, even a well-written article from 2 years ago may still rank high because the concept hasn't changed, right? Next is user experience. Imagine two websites. Website A opens instantly, easy to read, mobile friendly, but website B takes 20 seconds, too many ads, text keeps moving. So which one would you like? Obviously the site A. So Google rewards websites that offer a better user experience. Next would be speed detection. Some websites try to cheat. For example, they write DSA books hundreds of times just to fool Google. Google detects this spam and pushes such pages down in the ranking. Next would be meaning and context, where you understand the meaning behind the words, and personalization considers location, language, device and user preferences. Lastly, it calculates the overall ranking. Now Google combines all those scores. Think of it like a report where relevance is 95, content quality is 92, authority is 90, freshness is 88, user experience is 94. So the page with the highest overall score gets the rank 1. Gets the rank of 1. The final result that gets displayed is the Google shows you the best web pages on the first page of the search result. And remember, the first result isn't there by luck. It earned that position by performing better across the hundreds of ranking system. Thank you so much.